And me heard those two results now. I wish it had happened at the World Cup proper. So this would be famous wins for African countries at the World Cup. Senka Algeria, Netherlands, a World Cup match proper. And Ivory Coast, Chef France, a World Cup game proper. Look, in the Ghanaian contest, to me, in my opinion, the biggest problem, they say, Rich, over the last 5 winners of the AFCON, Algeria womu, Ivory Coast womu, Senegal womu, enti se omutimi pull out any resource biya against European and as a world superhouse. Enye me wanwasa. But the truth of the matter is say Ghana yen do sa level no. In do okra. Ghana Blackstars today. After ye try say ye be peja ye wansa ako back to the elites and affairs you used to be, you know. We've lost confidence. Ye Lucy the enyoma the basis of a team where elite teamer. We've lost all of them. Results in Koye GDN team. The team no coach and yet. The running of the team, you're changing coaches, be brain and saying so there's no consistency. It is not as if say you were top special talent bimpo to build your team no. So, and look for Senegal team no. Next baby a players in this year can have omo national team no have omo. We are not close to them. Not even half. Omo GD omo de bon. Nancy USC omo share saying. But look at the way Senegal played with them. Senegal played with England. In a friendly match, Nancy. Who is Senegal and omo share England in the World Cup proper and come through omo back kra. Ivory Coast recently hosted the AFCON and won it. We are not moving fans for the Tijina boy. Look at the way they were attacking them. Now they am a fair cry. The equalizer from Ivory Coast scored by Doué. They say you do a new pen, you know. Now, Osho go and no or celebrating a cameraman. They are going to Ninya Ketuano so was dancing him. It was so beautiful. But the fact of the matter, they say, Rich, teams na yes are there no. Level now or move on. Yeah, this level ni bi. Senke was level ni bi. And easy for us to be also believe. But in football analysis, there are 3 categories of people. The team itself, the fans, and the media. Team no players and the coaches no bobo no. Fans no chita for no. And obviously we know the media. Now Rich, the team itself, whether also when GDA and GDA no complement the expectation or not, omo de enye negotiable and also when GDA say omo metima so bia. And omo one category, omo mentality must be absolute. And sisi amena otie ye betimi aka so se Ghana ko share England enye etipenu omo be share. But so you're a Blaster player, you can't have that mentality. You don't deal with realities. You deal with say, we are good enough to beat team B. That should be your mentality. Support a mentality and say, once I have Blasters na kobobo on why Ghana ni on phone say you about Brazil, you about Argentina. Need the say or the GDN chitai air type Blasters team be a show. In those 3 categories of game, it is only the media and I want Akonya to be fair in their minds and say, oh, Semisha France, any Senegal, France were better team, France were quality players, France were history, ni pedigree, and untino, only Senegal Koba, me predict say France ebetimi ahye Senegal and also France a favorite and we are allowed to have a very very cogent and accurate analysis of the game. The two other people they must have absolute mentality say no matter who you are we should be able to beat you. That is where the Blackstars must start their mentality from. Rich, so we come point ne. Na unyin ni se kan ebetuma she England, then you have no business going to the World Cup. So we Blackstars come point ne. Na unyin ni se ye ni Croatia tigina ebetuma she oma, then you have no business going there. So we come point ne. Na unyin se ye ntimi nsha Panama, then you have no business being caught up. And any can World Cup look ahead if we believe we can beat Obia. And for the technical team and the players, Rich, they can't do any fair analysis. Theirs is to believe in themselves and approach every game with the mentality say we can win this game. That is their mandate. And so probably encourage you to stay within that lane of mentality, no. Now your mouth or Algeria example, your mouth Ivory Coast example, Rich, you hold on to it. It encourages you more. Now let me tell you one story. Share your World Cup record. Any performances against the so-called powerhouses. We've not fared badly, crowd. Share any Italy. Share any Germany. Ubi Abia yen against even the last World Cup. Look at their performance against Portugal. Me stadium me show Portuguese for bench wa omo pa referee na cho so on game no. That's squad na your first game na e boy no. That game ended 3-2. Me wa. The Portuguese at a point where omo nyina be gina omo tano na no honom no. Baby also omo tina no omo be gina ano and omo obi epeje be yensa che referee say time aso Ronaldo mo nyina ye omo say I was there live and you say bia me show TV. Say on pon because person na e dey mo ye betimi atika. Enti say e ba Ghana you can work no matter your team. Which if you bring us the big boys, we've stood up to them very, very well. And to me, if the English media are trying to play my game, almost and you casa, and yes, Ghana for your journey, they are afraid of us. And they know, say, you were the history to have set big countries. The last World Cup you call in 2014, Brazil, you know. At the end of the day, you know. See, I say, team na kwaji World Cup no finally, which was Germany, you know. Yepe no went to Manchester. Why do we say that? Say, oh, Germany, yepe no went to Manchester. The point you wanted to make and say, World Cup be the biggest country in the group, which almost funny easy. Yeni Italy, Senor Sako for 40 back passer. Look at the game we gave them. She game pie no boy. But we Italy that time now Ghana. Your first appearance, your novice cry in the competition. Italy, giant of the world. Look at the players they had then. Andre Pirlo, Totti, Mo, Luca Toni. Look at the players. But Rich, your momuti be here. Papa. You saw how far Italy went. They won the World Cup. But between you and the game, no. Me sure say we beside Italy for no say during that tournament game by pan omo boy omo ho chiro mo it will be yen and probably the game against Germany that they gross up had to win it or extra time no.
Because that time Osha a game against Germany. Sabre now Brazil for person me host and win. And Brazil for no na no mo bono. Obia Osha World Cup ni bia Brazil ba ko final. And I like no betimi age. But we share Germany no. Komu kumo 7.
But we share
exactly. And your ball tournament in we no. according to FIFA,
that was the best game. That was the
best game was against Germany in the Ghana game.
End to end defensive blocks in the Sanyo Manona. And baby will be a level be we have that potential in us. Against the big boys, you don't know where we will rise from. The piano we are able to. And England, they should be worried. It is also the second game of the Blackstars. Yes, second game, you friend Niagro. You call Katayai. And your second game, they say Koreano. Yeah, second game now. After losing to Portugal, your second game against a very difficult Korean team. Yes, Shaomo. Yes, Shaomo. Ometika. Ometika. So, no more momentum. And it's a second goal to count. Don't say I want my translate the last 10 minutes in there. But we took the win out of the game. Look at how far Korea go in that tournament. And look, it only serves as inspiration, dear Kosono. And not just for Yen Ghana, but for the rest of the African countries. Omuka Kobo tournament. Someone say Kevin Serbia. Kevin or Chisabia or Senu full from Serbia.
I want to Spain and to say that.
That is where the game is getting to. And Unimadia, Emma, me feel say, no more Rich, we will also have these kind of stories. Carlos Couriers. To be able to upset at that stage, you need a very, very experienced, pragmatic coach. And you're born if I know, but the strategy must be right. Now, and Papa may bomb Carlos Couriers and say, Rich, on money experience at that level, no, and send a demon on your board. Send your bear, your players na a team, no, or more. Even though they are part of the squad, but Bibintino, they don't have the energy to work as hard as I was here to upset these people. Until board, one can say they have perfect game with Muntino. Sama Chemu Bobby. And look, some mind games now. It's say you call Katayai. But see, BBS do okay against Uruguay. Before the game, the conversation, you know, say revenge. And Suarez, Emma Andrea, you know, call pre-match press conference. Can't say, oh, yeah, we 3 more campo. Look, in psychology, I find a sensory overload because you mean funny giddy nintino. You cheap penalty to my and I. Feeble bobia Andrea, you boy. Bush keep an boko. It was all because the mind games were too much. A riot team, I mean, a me or my broso. And we couldn't have cool hairs to slot it in and defend for our game. No? And we should be patient. Not this time around, we have an experienced coach who can lead Sergeant, you know. In the players must be disciplined. Or no one should be bold. Game no aye kwakobono. So we din kase name omwaya onya kokodon kase game we die tena bench. For our experience guide the young ones no. Omo no mo America no. Ebia game no tiase pa. But we ni America no say. Enti ka kire omo. For our experience no coach omo say omo ko omo yini say ba omo de omo 9 na omo de bebo no. Rich ne yakobo special ye hu. Utimi gina park bi so pa ko bitimi fa ho pa. Satam ne power la be power wo betimi de boy afam but o de be fa ho akọ. Untimi nyere
ko yang.
Ukoto jomu ago. Onenam ho upebusa apuzo. Apuzo ani apuzo ko bobo a. O she apuzo pa me kai those days. The way obesi a block wa jibo no. Be na apuzo.
Any DJ
apuzo.
I see.
Or a lefty striker. Or a left on Bobo pa. But it's a pussy and come on special camarade park in this one.
Be in film.
Say, you're possible on a man. I see a man space man. Wow. That's a control senior man. No, you be or pass a pen and nothing. Game that's how you active because you need to give him sanity.
Okay.
Udu baby, you just need to calm down. Rich, we just have to take inspiration. But team Lydia, nobody is part of the team. Are also a weak mentality. So we Blackstars team now we say we don't have what it takes to beat Panama, England, Croatia. Tell the team near my umbrefie.
Jude Brema na minim. Yeah, draw inspiration ne sa name nkoma ye di dinano.